If you're looking to create a promotional email with Mailchimp, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the steps to craft a professional, high-converting promotional email that stands out in your audience's inbox. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to use Mailchimp to create emails that drive results. And as a bonus, I'll show you how you can use Mailchimp for free with some exclusive perks. First things first, you'll need to log in to your Mailchimp account. If you don't have one, you can easily create one in just a few steps. You can get started for free, and I'll drop a link in the description below so you can take advantage of a special bonus offer. Now, once you're logged in, head to the Campaigns tab on the left-hand side. This is where all your email marketing magic will happen. To create your promotional email, click on the Create Campaign button. Then, choose Email from the options presented. You'll be able to decide whether this email is going to be a regular one, an automated sequence, or a custom campaign. Next thing, give your campaign a name. This step helps you keep everything organized. Think of it as labeling your email for easy access later on. After naming your campaign, click Begin to start editing. Now, let's move on to the design. Mailchimp makes it super easy with their drag and drop editor. You'll be taken to a blank canvas or a pre-made template. I recommend using a template for promotional emails because they're optimized for higher engagement. Choose one that suits the vibe of your campaign. The fourth thing is all about personalization. Add the subject line, preview text, and the sender's name. Your subject line is key. It's the first thing people see in their inbox, so make it catchy and relevant to your promotion. For example, something like "exclusive offer inside" can spark curiosity. Mailchimp gives you real-time feedback on subject line performance, so be sure to check that out. Next, it's time to build the body of your email. Here's where the magic happens. You can drag and drop text blocks, images, buttons, and even social links to create a polished design. Make sure the email's copy is clear and speaks directly to your audience. Focus on the benefits of what you're promoting and always include a call to action, whether it's to shop now, learn more, or sign up. Now, let's talk about segmentation. This is one of Mailchimp's most powerful features. You can segment your audience based on previous behavior or engagement, ensuring that your promotional email lands in the right hands. For example, you can target people who've interacted with your content in the past week or have made a purchase. The last thing is testing. Before you send your email out to your full list, Mailchimp gives you the option to preview and test it. Send a test email to yourself or a colleague to make sure everything looks great and works properly. Double-check that all links are clickable, images load correctly, and your email looks good across all devices. Finally, once you're satisfied with the email, it's time to hit send. But remember, you can also schedule your email for a specific time if you want it to go out when your audience is most likely to engage. To wrap up, remember, Mailchimp makes it easy to create a professional promotional email that will help you boost engagement. Plus, as I mentioned at the start, you can try Mailchimp for free through the link in the description below, and I'll even throw in some exclusive bonuses. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video helped you understand how to create a promotional email with Mailchimp that drives results.